Buy USDT price analysis and prediction today. If you look at this very point of resistance, I was talking about this very area of resistance, and that if the market break out on this level of resistance right here, as you can see on TradingView price chart, that market is going to move upward, and that is exact same thing after this very breakout. Okay, market move upward. Why this resistance was very important was because market move all the way upward and then come back down. The significant retracement we see on the price action is this very move before market continue downward. So that means if market can break out here, market will move upward, and that is exact same thing that we see after this breakout. And I talk about that in my immediate last video on Pi. And right now, market continue moving upward. We see this very move all the way to this very point where the market is right now. So the question is this market still going to move upward? Is it good for a buy, or we should expect the market to have good retracement? Now, remember, I am on the 1 hour chart right here, but if you take a look at the 4 hour chart, you discover that the market has moved significantly. Okay, one thing that is very important here is if you look at the market has moved significantly from this point upward, market retrace upward again, and right now we are seeing consolidation. One thing about consolidation in the market is that it is a build-up period. Anytime you see consolidation like this, that is candlestick moving side by side, as you can see right here. It's not really going up or coming down. Okay, so this is a consolidating market. It means that there is a build-up of momentum at this very point. So what will happen is two things. Number one is if the market break out on the resistance level right here, then it means that the market is going to make the next move upward in line with this very upward trend, and that is very important. So pay attention to this very breakout. If we see a breakout of this resistance after this consolidation with a bullish candle upward, then I am very sure that market is going to move into the $2.50 level around this very point. Okay, this is what I am expecting, and if market break on this level of important support right here, okay, this very price level right here of $1.39, as you can see at this very point, if we see a breakout right here, that is a bearish candle form and break downward, then market is going to have good retracement, just like we see right at this very point. Okay, so that is what you should be paying attention to right now. Two things that is very important: either market break on this level of resistance with a bullish candle, then it means that market is going to continue the upward move upward. And if we see the market break on this level of important support right here, right at this very point with a bearish candle, then that means market is going to continue this movement downward for a retracement of this impulsive move before the next continuation to the upside. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now on the pie chart. So the price today is very, very important because after this consolidation, market must break out on either side. But one thing that is also very important here is that if you look at the overall crypto market, the market is very, very bearish. Since yesterday, we see a very drastic dump all the way to the downside with Bitcoin below $90,000 as at the recording of this very video. And I still believe market have capacity of coming back down a little bit below that $90,000 in this very week of trading. And one bad thing about market dump during the week of trading is that that very dump is always very, very bad because the market can stay like that till weekend, and this is super important. So if market is dumping, then I don't see the market on Pi drastically moving upward. Okay, the movement may occur, but it will not be that drastic all the way to the upside compared to what's supposed to happen if markets have a good sentiment in the overall crypto market, because immediately after every breakout of consolidation, market should move drastically upward. So I am not expecting a drastic move if we see a bullish breakout. However, market is still going to move a little bit into this very area of $2.50 before it will come down if we see a bullish breakout. That is why I am expecting market to also break here on support with a bearish candle. And if that happens, I am very, very confident that market is going to continue that move for a good retracement before continuation. So if you are trading Pi, pay attention to this very area of consolidation because it will help you make good trading decision. Either the market is going to move upward or the market is going to come back to the downside. Wait for that breakout to happen first before you take any trading decision because it's going to help you save some money or make some money. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Thanks for your support.